Class 10, today we are starting new unit, mensuration. In the mensuration, first solid is a cylinder. See, the radius is a small letter r and height is a small letter h. Now volume of cylinder will be pi r square h. Volume means occupied place by any solid is called volume. Now see curved surface area. Curved surface area excluding base area and top area is called curved surface area. Curved surface area is this one. Excluding base area, leave base area and leave top area. That is called curved surface area. Now total surface area means whole area including curved surface and base area and top area. So curved surface area will be 2 pi r h and base area pi r square and this area also pi r square, 2 pi r square it is. So this is total surface area. Now see hollow cylinder. In hollow cylinder, internal radius is small r and external radius is a capital R. So what will be thickness of the metal? Metal thickness we can calculate by like this, capital R minus small r. So this is the formula for thickness of the metal in hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder just like a pipe. Now see volume of metal in this pipe. External volume of the cylinder minus internal volume of the cylinder. See this, pi r square h minus pi r square h. See the radius, capital R here. Now here small r. Now see a cone. See the conical shape here. Radius is small r, height is perpendicular height small h, and this is slant height L, slant height. Now volume of cone 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Curved surface area is this one area pi r L. L means slant height. Now total surface area means curved surface plus base area. Base area is pi r square. This is curved surface, this is base area. Becomes total surface area. Now see exercise 15C. You have to start from exercise 15C. Don't do exercise 15A and 15B. Start from exercise 15C. 15C question number 2. Question number 2. H is given and base area of the cone is given 156. Find the volume. The volume formula is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Pi r square is a base, you know. So this is pi r square. Place of pi r square you can write straight away 156. 156 and height is 8. 416 meter cube volume. Answer. Now see second part. Slant height is given. Find volume and radius is also given. The volume formula is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. We know r is 8 but h is not here. H is not here. So calculate h. Use the slant height formula. L square is equal to h square plus r square. Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, h will come out as 15. Now volume 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Put the h value, put the r value. What is the answer? 1005.71 centimeter cube. Now see question number 5. Radius is 11.5. Curved surface area is given. And we have to find out the value of slant height. Pi value is given. 355 upon 113. This is pi value given this time. Curved surface area is given. So use curved surface area formula. Pi r L. Putting all the values and L will come out as 20 centimeter. Answer. Now see question number 10. Ratio between radius and slant height is given 4:7. Find radius. Curved surface area is also given 792. So now take in original form this ratio. Let radius be 4x centimeter. Slant height be 7x centimeter. Curved surface area. Use the curved surface area formula pi r L. Curved surface area is given 792. Put pi value, r value and L value. So x will come as 3. When x will come out, then you can find out the original value of radius. Radius is a 4x. So 4 into 3, 12 centimeter. Answer. Now see 15th question. In the 15th question, there is a conical tent. There are 11 persons. 11 persons has to stay in the tent. Now required place for each person equals to 4 meters square. and air required for each person is 20 meter cube. Find the height of the tent. So for 11 persons are staying in the tent, and all these are given. Each person place is a 4 meter square. So there are 11 person. 11 person will take 44 meter square place. So it means the base area of the cone. This is pi r square, actually 44 meter square. Now volume of air, one required air for 1 person 20 meter cube. There are 11 person. So 11 person air for 11 person will be 220 meter cube. Now use the volume formula, 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Volume is 220 and pi r square means base area, which is 44. Put here 44, h will come out as 15 meter. So tent height is a 15 meter. Now see question number 19. In question number 19, this is a cylindrical part and the top part is a conical part. Slant height is given 53 meter and this cylinder height is given 3 meter and radius of this cylinder is given 105 upon 2. So radius of cylinder and radius of cone will be same because they are on the same base. Now see here, curved surface area. They are asking total surface area of this tent. So it means curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of cone will be total surface area of this tent. So now just curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h, you know. See this, curved surface 2 pi r h plus curved surface of this pi r l, cone curved surface pi r l. Add both the curved surface, then total surface area will come out. Just now take the common here, pi r common, and put all the values. Values are given here. So 9735 meter square, this is total surface area of this cone from outside. Now see 24 question. This is the diagram is given for this question. This is a cylindrical part, solid cylinder. This is the metal of cylinder is given as A, capital letter A. Metal of cylinder is A, and this cylinder is drilled out and from the center. This is drilled out from center and one conical shape is taken out from this cylinder, and this conical hole is filled by another metal, that is B, metal B. Now they are asking find the volume of metal A. Metal A means cylinder volume of metal A, cylinder volume, and upon volume of metal B. So you have to find out ratio between metal A and metal B. See here, starting from here, volume of metal A. How much metal A is left out? See here, this is metal A. Now here is a hole. From this hole, already metal A is taken out from this conical shape. So just subtract cone volume from cylinder volume. Cylinder volume minus cone volume. It will be a metal A volume. Now metal B volume, you know, cone. Here is a metal B now. 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now take common here pi. Pi cancel by pi. Place all the values. Values are given here in the diagram. Now what is your answer at last? 133 upon 2. 133 ratio 2. This is metal A ratio. Metal A is to metal B ratio. Answer. So children, this is your exercise 15C. Next time we will take new exercise. Thank you.